Ever wondered why your local business needs to rank higher in search results? The answer lies in local SEO. It's the key to attracting more customers, outperforming your competition, and enhancing visibility in local search results. Indeed, local SEO can be the game changer your business needs. So, how does one go about implementing local SEO? Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin with detailed keyword research, tailor-made for your locality. Next, optimize your Google My Business listing, making sure it's accurate and complete. Then, create content that resonates with your local audience. Don't forget to build local citations, as they're crucial for local SEO. Lastly, encourage customer reviews. They add authenticity. Keep in mind, local SEO is a continuous process. It requires regular updates and monitoring. Remember, the key to successful local SEO is consistency and patience. Need help navigating the world of local SEO? Turn to Authority Solutions, your reliable partner in this journey. With our expertise, proven experience, and unwavering commitment, we promise to deliver results that will help you dominate local search results. Don't wait, reach out to Authority Solutions and let us help you dominate local search results.